How to fix verification code not received on Android. So if you're not being able to receive a verification code on your Android device, there could be various reasons for this. Now, first of all, it depends upon from which app you're trying to get the verification code, maybe from TikTok, let's say, or Facebook or Instagram. Sometimes instead of your Android phone, the issue could be with those particular applications. So let's say you're trying to receive verification code from Instagram to your phone. You might want to close Instagram or any other app for that matter and try to resend the verification code to see if that helps you. If not, now we can come to a conclusion that it might be a problem with our Android phone and we can go about fixing it. The first thing we can try to do is to restart our Android phone. So just go ahead and try to restart your device to see if that helps you solve the problem. If it doesn't, you can try to toggle on airplane mode and toggle it off again to see if that helps you as well. So try to toggle it on, toggle it off, and check if that helped you. If that doesn't either, what you want to do is verify your phone number. So verify the phone number that you have inserted on the app is correct and that one that you are using, you have your SIM card properly inserted. Make sure that you're being able to send and receive other messages and calls, and then we can check. You might also want to check your signal strength because sometimes due to an unstable signal strength, you could not be able to receive some type of verification code. So you want to make sure that is not the case in this particular case as well. You might also want to check for blocked or spam messages because sometimes you might have enabled filtering that might have blocked those messages by default, or a particular number that you might have blocked. You want to make sure that that's not the particular case as well. If nothing helps, you can also try to just restart or update your Android phone. Check if there is any sort of updates available on your device, and if there is, make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully some of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.